so here I am.
It's great that everyone can figure out how to use the passion to enrich everyone's lives.
Hello everyone, Actung. My name is Eric Cartman and I'm the president of the Mel Gibson fan club. Thank you. I'm happy to see that all of you were affected by the passion like I was. Now, we all know why we're here, and I believe we all know what needs to be done.
We sure do.
But I think it's best we don't talk out loud about it until we have most of them on the trains heading to the camps.
What does that mean, sweetie?
I'm not sure. Folks, I just want to interrupt for a second and say how remarkable it is that this little boy brought us all together. The passion is causing a revolution of spirituality, and we owe Mel Gibson and this little boy our thanks.
South Park?
Thank you.
No.
Now, in order to do what we all know needs to be done, we are first going to need more support. I think we should all go out and take at least one other person to see the passion.
Oh, what a great idea! We each make it our responsibility to convert one more person. Great idea.
Yes, and then we can begin the cleansing, if you know what I mean.
We sure do. Yeah.
Thank you. This must be the place. God damn, this must be close.